Welcome to WebLab, your gateway to shaping a successful career through the power of interactive digital tools and resources. Today, we're delving into the exciting journey of building a career that resonates with your passion, skills, and aspirations. Let's begin by understanding the most important element in this journey, you. Every great career starts with self-awareness. Take the time to explore your interests, strengths, and values. What drives you? What are you naturally good at? In this digital age, there are countless tools at your fingertips. Engage with online quizzes, personality tests, and career exploration tools available on platforms, for example, like WebLab. These resources are designed to help you paint a clearer picture of your ideal career path. Once you have a sense of direction, the next step is setting goals. But not just any goals, specific, achievable, and meaningful ones. Whether it's becoming a software developer, a graphic designer, or an entrepreneur, break your dream into smaller, actionable pieces. Use digital applications to track your progress, set reminders, and stay motivated. Remember, the key to achieving big goals is taking consistent, small steps towards them. In the digital era, continuous learning is your superpower. The career landscape is ever evolving, and so should your skills. Platforms like Masterclass, Mindvalley, LifeWise, and WebLab offer a wide range of online courses, webinars, and workshops, enabling you to learn and adapt from the comfort of your own home. Whether it's enhancing your technical skills, learning a new language, or understanding market trends, every skill you acquire is a stepping stone towards your career goals. Networking is another critical aspect of career building. In today's interconnected world, building a professional network is easier and more important than ever. Engage with peers, mentors, and industry leaders through social media platforms, online forums, and digital networking events. Share your journey, seek advice, and learn from the experiences of others. Remember, the connections that you make today can open doors to opportunities tomorrow. However, the path to success is rarely a straight line. You'll face challenges and obstacles along the way. Embrace these challenges as opportunities to grow stronger and more resilient. Use different digital tools to find innovative solutions, stay organized, and maintain a positive outlook. Staying informed and adaptable is crucial in a rapidly changing world. Follow industry news, trends, and insights through digital platforms. Subscribe to newsletters, join online communities, and participate in forums related to your field of interest. The ongoing learning keeps you ahead of the curve and ready for future opportunities. Finally, embrace the ethos of continuous improvement. Seek feedback, reflect on your experiences, and continually refine your approach. Your career is a journey of personal and professional evolution. Celebrate your achievements, learn from setbacks, and always look for ways to enhance your skills and strategies. Join us at WebLab, where we empower your career journey with the best digital tools and resources. Share your story, inspire, and be inspired. Together, let's build careers that are fulfilling, impactful, and aligned with your true potential. Visit our website and follow us on social media to start your journey to building not just a career, but a legacy.